Lacey. I'm going to be your guys' passenger service attendant today. Your PSA, your PSA, your bartender, your tour guide, whatever makes your heart the absolute happiest at this point. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let myself know, and I'll be more than happy to make sure you guys are taken care of. Now, if you forgot any of the safety announcements, you hold on to your seats. Our conductor, Bernie, is going to come on. He's going to go over all of them again. Y'all sit back and relax, and thank you guys for choosing the Grand Canyon Railway.
I'll show you the pictures. We almost hit a donkey. Oh my gosh. Yes, the dogs. It's a drive-through park. You can get out and go through the zoo. And so we drove through. We find here's a little deer-looking thing. I just walk right up to the cars. Bear sitting on the side of the road. We had one that walked right up to the back of our car, so Kona got a nice close view of the bear, and she was going insane. She loved it.